Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will dive into the fundamentals of Ruby programming. Specifically, we will cover how to install Ruby in this tutorial. So if you are ready to embark on this exciting journey, let's get started. Hi, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I beg you, kindly subscribe to my channel and always like my video. Before we dive into the wonderful world of Ruby, let's make sure you have it installed on your machine. In this tutorial, we will cover the installation process step by step. First thing first, you open your web browser. As you can see, I'm using Chrome. I've already opened my own web browser. And you go to the official Ruby website. So I'm going to drop the link to the official Ruby website in the description of this video. So rubylang.org. It is loading. Now after this has finished loading, so you go to the download section. So I can see Ruby is a dynamic open source programming language with a focus on simplicity and productivity. It has an elegant syntax that is natural to read and easy to write. You are going to enjoy this course. So go to the download section. Then if you are a Windows user like me, so you come to this part and use Ruby installer to install Ruby. So let us click on this. Also, if you are a Linux or Mac user, so you can go and check the installation process. So click on the Ruby installer, then it's going to move you to the download page. So in the download page, just click on this big download button. Oh, it's still loading. Sorry for that. Let us wait for it to finish loading. Okay, I have clicked on the button already. So Ruby installers page, and you can see with devkit. So it is recommended you use with devkit. So you choose, if you are a 64-bit user, if your machine is 64 bits, and you should click on this. If your machine is 32 bits, you should click on this. So my machine is 64 bits, so I'm clicking on the first one. So the download will start after. I can see the download has started, so we are going to wait for it to finish downloading. Okay guys, the download has finished and you can find it down here. If yours is not here, you can check the file on your system, usually in the download folder. So now after the download has finished, we need to click on it to install it. So let's click on it. So I'm going to click on install for me only. So you should accept the license, then click on next. So this file will be installed here, and make sure these boxes are checked. Click on install, then make sure these boxes too are checked, then click on install. So it has started installing. So let's wait for it to finish installing. So good, the installation has finished, and so the next thing we need to do is, first you need to check if this checkbox, if it is checked. So if it is checked, so if it is not checked, you checked it, but if it is checked, so you leave it and you just click on and finish. So the installation, we've finished it, and there will be a pop-up terminal to finish the installation. Good, and you can see we have this. So what you need to do, which components shall be installed? If unsure, press enter. You just need to press enter, then it's going to start installing. So let us wait for it. So now we just need to press enter to finish the installation. So now everything is done. So Ruby is now installed in our local machine. So we need to check if it is properly installed. If we want to check that, we can use the command prompt, the cmd. So cmd. So let's check. So one way to check if Ruby is installed is to check the version. So let's use Ruby -v, or you can use -version, anyone. So and press enter. So you can see Ruby is installed in our local system. So Ruby 3.2.2, look at the date of installation. So the revision, sorry. So that it means that Ruby is installed in our local machine. You can also check the IRB, the interactive shell, so to do some things like print out hello world. So you see, this also shows that Ruby is very well installed in our local system. So you can just check put and write hello world, enter. I can see this is our, so don't worry, we've already installed our Ruby. So that wraps up our first tutorial on installing Ruby. In the next video, we are going to delve into variables. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Ruby content. Also, make sure to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. We love hearing from our Ruby Masters community. Until next time, happy coding and keep exploring the fascinating world of Ruby. See you in the next video.